Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I want to show you how to mirror images. First, you get your image. I got my image right here. You're gonna select it. Make sure it's selected in the layers panel. Then you're gonna hold Control T or Command T on the Mac. Um, it's for the transform. You're gonna see these little boxes pop up around it. You can start doing whatever you like to it. But to quickly mirror an image, you're gonna right click and you're gonna flip horizontal. Boom, it's mirrored. You could also do the same thing. You could flip it upside down, flip it back. Experiment as you please. And you can also, there's some other options in here, but this is how you mirror images. Say you don't want her looking to her left. You want her looking to the right. This is when you utilize this technique. But thank you all for watching. Any questions, leave them in the comments. See you in the next one.